If you want to improve your brain naturally, there are several things you can do to promote optimal brain health. One of the best ways to do this is by engaging in regular physical exercise. Exercise has been shown to promote the growth of new brain cells, improve cognitive function, and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Another way to improve brain function naturally is by getting enough sleep. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories and processes information learned during the day. Sleep also helps to reduce stress and improve mood, both of which can have a positive impact on cognitive function. Eating a healthy and balanced diet is also crucial for brain health. Foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins and minerals can help to protect the brain from damage and improve cognitive function. Lastly, engaging in mentally stimulating activities such as reading, puzzles, and learning new skills can help to improve brain function and prevent cognitive decline.